Factor a to the fourth plus 6a squared plus 5. Well, I don't like a to the fourths. I don't like a squareds. But you know what this kind of looks like? This looks like it could be quadratic. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to make believe that a squared is just regular x, just for a minute. I'm going to make believe that a squared is x, which means the 6a squared in the middle is going to be 6x. So a squared, oh, that becomes x squared because there's 4. Okay, that makes sense. So I'll call you x squared plus 6x plus 5. You should look at that and say, oh, well, now that's a quadratic. And two numbers that add up to 6 and multiply out to 5 are going to be 5 and 1. So you have x plus 5, x plus 1. Now, before we finish, we didn't start out with x. We started out with a. And we called a squared x. So I have to turn x back into a squared. So you're a squared plus 5, and you're a squared plus 1. I look at what's left over on the inside. You can't factor any of that anymore. We are done.